All right, Kiss You Tonight by Nigel Mooney from New Zealand. It's a 32 count four-wall dance, no tags, no restarts. I double checked that I was right where we start, 16 count intro. So it starts with a rumba forward, side together forward. Rock forward, replace, quarter turn into a weave. We're going to rock back as we square back to the front wall, replace, half turn back, step together. Weight is on the left. Cross right over left, side and sailor step. We're going to step across, hold, ball step, point to the side, so the right toe is pointed. Step across, side, rock back, replace. We're up to the last 8 counts. We're doing a reverse turn over the left, so it's a quarter back, half, quarter, a quarter sailor step to the left, step forward on the right, rock to the side, replace and cross, start again to a count. Ready and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Rock 1, 2, half 3, step 4, cross 5, 6, sailor 7 and 8. Cross hold, so that's 1 hold 2 and 3, point 4, cross 5, side 6, rock 7, 8. Roll back, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5, walk 6, rock 7 and 8.